Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to convert your XML and JSON file into PDF. So inside Python, so for this we have actually a dependency that you need to install. The dependency name is pdf it down. So this is actually the command here. Simply install this by executing this pip command. I've already installed it, and after installing it you just need to create a simple users file. So you can see both the JSON and XML file are there in my working directory, and inside this user JSON file you see an array of object. Each object has some properties, and same we have this XML file as well. So now we will look at how to convert both these files to PDF. So just create a simple app.py file. So the result will look something like this. You can see this is your JSON file successfully converted to PDF, and same goes with this as well. This is your XML data converted to PDF. So now let me show you how to actually write this. So just create a simple app.py file, and after that, first of all, you need to import the package. So we simply say from PDF it down. It contains this function PDF conversion, and from this you need to import this PDF conversion. Sorry, not PDF conversion. There is a method here which you need to import, which is converter. After that, you just need to initialize this converter like this. After initializing this converter, it has a series of methods. So one such method is this convert method. It takes two arguments. First of all, your file path. So here you will specify your JSON file, and then it takes the second argument, which is your output path. So this will be the PDF file which get created. Same we will do this for XML as well. So here you will replace your XML file, and then so as soon as you execute this application, on the left hand side you will see these two files will get created. The JSON and XML file will get converted to PDF. So you will see both the files have been created. So in this easy way, you can use this Python package to carry out the conversion from JSON to PDF and XML to PDF. So you will see all the JSON data has been successfully inserted to the PDF document, and same is your XML data as well. So this was the XML file, and this is your PDF file. So you can use this package, very important package inside Python. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.